Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making oven-baked chicken fingers and oven-fried okra. So, first thing we're going to do, we have pre-steamed our frozen okra for about 8 minutes in the microwave, and then we have pat it dry really well with paper towels, or you could use a clean kitchen towel to kind of remove some of the excess moisture. And then we have inside of our breading dish here, we have panko breadcrumbs, we have some garlic salt, a little bit of herb, and cornmeal to bread these in. So we're going to go right in with these. And the natural stickiness of the okra is going to help us to coat these. You can see just how sticky they can be. We're going to crisp these up. The oven is preheated to 400 degrees for our chicken. The okra recommends at 375, but we're just going to watch them close at that temperature. Just going to begin to kind of toss these about. Alright, got just about everybody coated now. We have a baking sheet lined with foil to make for easy cleanup, and we also have a rack. This is going to allow heat to get underneath the okra as well to make it nice and crisp. We're just going to try and shake off any of the excess breading if you can. Some of the pieces may fall through, and that's okay if they're smaller. You don't have to have a rack, but it is recommended. If you don't, do not worry. Spray the tops, some cooking spray. And we're going to pop these into the oven. These are going to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're just going to keep a close eye on them. Now we're going to move on to our chicken. So we have some nice organic chicken here. We have inside here, we have egg, we have cumin, we have Dijon mustard, some salt and some pepper. We have our seasoned panko breadcrumbs. And now we're just going to go ahead and bread our chicken tenders. All right. Make sure you get these nice and coated. Our baking sheet ready just as we did for our okra. Give the tops of our chicken a quick spray so they'll brown. And we're going to pop these into the oven. Depending on the size of your chicken breast, anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, but chances are with these being as small as they are, these will take closer to 10 to 15. So we're just going to watch those close as well. All right, we'll come back and check them out in just a few minutes. All right, we are ready to pull our chicken tenders from the oven. All right, we'll let those cool. We'll plate these up with our okra in just a few minutes. All right, we're ready to pull our okra from the oven. All right. All right, we're going to allow our okra to cool for just a couple of minutes. We'll plate it up with our chicken fingers, and we'll show you the finished product.